Hello guys, and welcome to my first little English makeup tutorial. I'm really excited how the video will be received, and I'm looking forward to doing this look, Princess Jasmine look with you. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. First I use my absolute favorite primer from Nimia, and then the Sheer Up foundation from Got2b. So that the eyeshadow has the best performance, I use an eyeshadow base that is as light as possible. Here I have a Camouflage from Cutcrease that works great for this. Now I use this beautiful fairytale eyeshadow palette from Revolution, and I use the dark blue tone first. My eyes are so different in height. Do you have that too? Now I'm using the purple shade, and I have to say the pigmentation is way better than I expected. For the cut crease I also use the Camouflage from Cutcrease. Then the light blue tone comes on top of that. Now I use this beautiful golden glitter liner from NYX, because I think glitter is definitely a must for that look. I received the lashes from a German brand called Leni Lashes. Now apply Bronzer and the beautiful blush from the palette. I found such a great accessory for the look on Amazon. Yeah, here's my finished look. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy my little video. Oh my god, that was so excited for me to do an English voiceover. And yeah, and then I see if I be back in English next time. Bye bye.